Wealth isn't just about money or assets. It's about time and freedom. The freedom to live on your terms, to pursue passions, to spend moments with loved ones. Because once time is gone, you can't get it back. Time, it's the one asset we can never get back. Yet, every day, millions trade their precious time for money. What if I told you there's a better way? A way to unlock a life where your assets work for you and you're no longer chained to the 9-to-5 grind. Welcome to a journey of discovery, where we unveil 8 assets that can not only make you rich, but grant you the most coveted treasure, financial freedom. As Warren Buffett rightly said, if you don't find a way to make money while you sleep, you will work until you die. Number 1. Dividend-paying stocks. The power of compounding. Imagine owning a piece of a successful company, and every quarter, like clockwork, you get paid just for holding on to that piece. That's the magic of dividend-paying stocks. When a company earns a profit, they have a choice: reinvest in the business or share a portion with their shareholders. Companies that consistently share these profits through dividends become a golden goose for savvy investors. Let's take the case of Johnson & Johnson. If you'd invested $10,000 in their stocks in 1970, today, just from dividends, you'd be receiving over $80,000 annually. And that's not even counting the appreciation of the stock itself. Number 2. Real estate, the foundation of generational wealth. Shelter is a basic human need, and as the population grows, so does the demand for homes, offices, and malls. By investing in real estate, you're capitalizing on this evergreen demand. Real estate isn't just about buying a piece of land or property. It's about the potential passive income from rents, the appreciation of the property over time, and the benefits of leveraging. Take Robert, for instance. He started with a small apartment complex. Over time, the rent he collected not only paid off his mortgage, but also allowed him to invest in another property. Today, he owns multiple properties across the city, all generating passive income. Now, while stocks and real estate are powerful, the next asset is something many overlook, yet it's right under our noses. Number 3. Digital assets, tapping into the future of wealth. We live in the age of technology, where the internet has revolutionized not only how we communicate, but also how we earn. Digital assets range from blogs, e-commerce websites, to even mobile apps. These platforms, once set up and optimized, can generate income with minimal ongoing effort. Take the story of Sarah. A passionate cook, she started a recipe blog as a hobby. With consistent quality content and smart monetization, today, her blog earns her a 5-figure income monthly, all while she sleeps. Number 4. Intellectual property, monetizing your brilliance. Every creation of the mind, be it an invention, a unique design, or a piece of music, has value. And with the right protection and strategy, it can be a consistent source of income. Intellectual properties like patents, copyrights, and trademarks allow creators to earn royalties. Every time someone uses or licenses your creation, you get paid. J.K. Rowling, the author of the Harry Potter series, didn't just earn from book sales. The licensing deals, movie rights, and merchandise have made her the world's first author billionaire. Number 5. Peer-to-peer lending and crowdfunding, the power of community. In today's connected world, you don't need banks to earn interest. Platforms like Prosper and Lending Club allow you to lend your money to individuals or small businesses in exchange for potential returns. While traditional banks have overheads and bureaucracy, P2P platforms offer a streamlined approach, often resulting in better interest rates for both lenders and borrowers. But it's not just about lending. Crowdfunding platforms like Kickstarter allow innovators to raise capital for their projects. By backing the right project, you could earn rewards, equity, or even a share of the profits. Now, while all these assets are incredible, the next one is something you're born with, yet few harness its true potential: your knowledge and skills. Number 6. Personal brand and skills, capitalizing on you. Ever heard the phrase, invest in yourself? It's not just motivational talk. In today's digital age, your personal brand and the skills you possess can be the most lucrative assets. Whether it's writing, public speaking, designing, or any other skill, there's an audience out there willing to pay for your expertise. Think of Gary Vaynerchuk. He started with wine videos. But today, his personal brand spans speaking engagements, books, and a multi-million-dollar media empire. All because he capitalized on his knowledge and passion. Number 7. Automated businesses. Earning while you sleep. Imagine a business that runs itself. No daily operations, no micromanaging. Just set it up, optimize, and watch the profits roll in. These are often online businesses, like e-commerce stores with dropshipping, affiliate marketing sites, or software-as-a-service platforms. A classic example is Tim Ferriss, author of The 4-Hour Workweek. He set up an e-commerce business that required minimal daily input, giving him the freedom to travel and live life on his terms. Number 8. Bonds and fixed deposits, the traditional pillars of wealth. In the world of flashy investments, it's easy to overlook the tried and tested. But bonds and fixed deposits have been wealth preservers for centuries. Governments and corporations issue bonds, essentially borrowing your money and paying you interest. They might not make you a billionaire overnight, but they offer stability, especially in volatile markets. And then there are fixed deposits. Banks pay you interest for locking in your money for a set period. It's safe, it's straightforward, and it's a staple in any diversified investment portfolio. But beyond all these assets, there's one thing, one secret, that truly differentiates the rich from the rest. And that, dear viewers, is the mindset. Number 9. Mindset. The intangible asset worth more than gold. Every tangible asset we've discussed is valuable, no doubt. But there's an intangible asset, one you can't touch or see, but can feel and cultivate. Your mindset. The way you perceive wealth, approach challenges, and envision your future has a profound impact on your financial destiny. Think of Elon Musk. He could have settled after PayPal, but his mindset, his vision for the future of humanity, drove him to ventures like Tesla, SpaceX, and Neuralink. But here's the kicker. While cultivating a growth mindset is essential, it's also about the company you keep. Jim Rohn famously said, "You are the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with." So surround yourself with visionaries, with dreamers, with doers. Believe me, mindset is contagious. But now for the revelation you've all been waiting for, the twist in our tale. The true asset, the one thing that's more valuable than anything we've discussed, is time. Early investment, every asset, every venture we've talked about, requires time. Time to grow, time to mature, and time to yield returns. Wealth isn't merely a measure of your bank account or the assets you own. It's the silent beats of your heart, the breaths you take in moments of sheer joy or quiet reflection. It's the freedom to chase dreams at dawn, to savor sunsets without a care, and to hold close those you cherish without watching the clock. Because while fortunes can be made and lost, the sands of time once slipped through our fingers remain beyond our grasp forever. So, while you chase financial freedom, don't forget to cherish and make the most of today. Because the present moment, once gone, becomes a treasure more valuable than any asset.